Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an out of the frame let's not use this one actually, video effect on CapCut PC. So grab your video and go to mask. Wait, let me just copy and paste these first. Copy and paste, because we will need two of these. So on the first one, I'm going to select mask and circle, and I'm just going to kind of scale it up a little bit. Okay, so it's 525 times 525. There you go. On the second one, I'm going to first go to cutout and select auto cutout. And then I'm going to again use this mask to create a circle and kind of like put it here, and as you can see, it creates this like really cool effect. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. If you have some bits off, just make sure you adjust it to like the first video. And that is basically it. You can add in a background, go to basic, canvas, and just select the background of your choice. But I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!